In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio and video in Descript. Whether you're creating a podcast, a video essay, or any project that involves combining separate audio and video files, ensuring they are perfectly synchronized is crucial for both professionalism and viewer satisfaction. To start, launch Descript and open your project where you've already imported the audio track. You'll notice that your audio is ready to go, and the next step is to bring your video into the mix. To do this, simply drag and drop the video file into your Descript timeline. It's important to ensure that both these media files are positioned where you want to begin the synchronization process. Now, observe the timeline. You'll see the audio and video tracks displayed separately. To sync them, adjust the duration of either the audio or the video. You can do this by dragging the endpoints of these tracks. Try to align the waveforms in a way that important beats, words, or sounds visually match up with on-screen action. This can be particularly helpful for matching up lip movements with the spoken words in your audio. Descript also offers a nifty tool to assist you, called Shorten All. By clicking on Shorten All, Descript makes an effort to adjust any pauses or silences automatically, streamlining the process of bringing audio and video into alignment. This feature can save you a lot of time, although it's always a good idea to play back your project to ensure everything lines up to your satisfaction. As you play back your content, keep an ear and an eye out for any discrepancies. If something seems off, manually tweak the track lengths or position them until everything feels fluid and natural. Sometimes, stepping away from the project and coming back a little later with fresh eyes and ears can help you spot niggles that might have slipped by initially. Remember, syncing is both an art and a science. While technical precision is important, don't forget the broader picture. An engaging, cohesive final product that serves its purpose, whether it's to inform, entertain, or persuade. As an added tip, try to ensure your recording environment and equipment are as high quality as possible. If you start with good, clean audio and video, syncing them in Descript will be much smoother. This includes using a good microphone and camera, as well as recording in a quiet, well-lit room. With these steps and tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating synchronized and polished content in Descript. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you work with Descript, the more intuitive syncing will become. Happy editing!